All right, today we're gonna bring the candy machine. That's right, it's a candy machine. It's divided into 3 sections. All right, it's gonna take 25 cents. In the front it tells you there's 3 ways. So the center one, if you guys notice, a little different because it does take Gumball, this one. All right, so right now we're gonna put it together because when you get it, this is how it comes in the box. They give you the keys. You get 3 keys, sets of keys, but you're only gonna need 1. All right, now you are going to need one in the back. You need the one in the back for the money, all right, and the one at the top to refill. All right, now they do give you the base itself, and this is where all the candy is going to be in place. Very important to take out this back case for the cash, for the coins. All right, the coin slot. All right, now you're gonna have to twist it. It's a twist lock. All right, now I had to twist it and take it out, pull out, so I could set up this actual holder. If you guys can see the lever thing here, this thing to hold it down. So now when you push it to lock it in place, you got to twist it. Keep twisting it until you see this flush. All right, twisting it. Now this key is also gonna open the top. All right, if you ever run into issues like not enough, for example, 1/4 is supposed to give me a couple of M&Ms, and these are peanut butter ones, right? The peanuts, and it only gives me 1, so we got to repair that. Right, so we're gonna remove all these screws in here. So here's the whole assembly kit. We're gonna go ahead and fix this. All right, if you guys can see that, we're gonna lift these up. All right, we want to find them, and then we got the bigger pockets now set up. All right, now we're gonna go ahead and tie everything back in there in place, back in here. All right, now let's try it. We just set it up. In order to set it up, you still have to spin it, so have your quarters ready. We're gonna test it out, and now we got a handful of them, if you guys can see. So that's how you fix it. All right, so if you have that issue, you're gonna have to go in there and repair it. So that's a solution to fix this machine. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.